Valentine's Day is less than a month away. It's the time of the year where we feel like we can either treat ourselves, somebody that we love, or put a little bug in our partner's ear about something really special that would hit the spot on this day of love. Introducing today a collection by Jeulia. It's their Valentine's Day Love collection. It's a specially curated collection. There's lots of different pieces for men and women. Be sure to check it out in the links below. If you expand the description box, I have a lot of links down there to Jeulia items, some that I've reviewed in the past, as well as this brand new limited time collection. My heart just went to my throat when I saw this beautiful packaging and this jewelry set that I'm wearing. So look at this very sturdy box that this comes in. Absolutely adorable. Every woman in your life, including yourself, are going to love getting this. It's just such a treat. So it opens up like a chest, okay? And then look at this. So your jewelry is going to be in the center box and it has the love embossed logo, but then all around it are these little roses, these little paper roses. We've seen this before. These roses are sold a lot during the Valentine's Day, and the roses within themselves are a real treat. Who wouldn't love to get something in this beautiful packaging? It also comes with a gift bag. So if you are buying it as a gift, you can place the box inside of the bag and present that at dinner or any special occasion that you can think of. Be sure to check out this full Valentine's Day collection in the links below. I also have a special promo code. I'll put it here on the screen. It's good for 20% off of any one of these collection items. Remember too that anything over $99 is free shipping. Most of the Jeulia pieces are made with the 925 sterling silver. It's a high grade sterling silver. It's hypoallergenic. It lasts forever and it's really easy to maintain. So this Valentine's Day set that I'm going to present is in that Valentine's collection. It's called the Jeulia Cushion Cut Sterling Silver Jewelry Set. It includes earrings, a necklace, and a ring. So this ring is what really drew me into this jewelry set and hooked me. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's the Jeulia Double Halo, white diamond, cushion cut, sterling silver engagement ring. I switch out my wedding band a lot and I like to wear a variety of bands, and I do have real diamonds. I put them away because these look just like real diamonds, but they're easier to maintain. That center stone is over a 2.6 carat white diamond proprietary stone. It's very clear and brilliant. It's surrounded by 90 smaller white diamond stones. You can see how substantial that is. You know, just how much real estate on my finger that takes up. It's just perfect. I don't have one like this, and now I do. I am so happy about this. Now, in this Valentine's Day collection, this particular jewelry set also includes a necklace and matching earrings. So you can buy this as a set, and I think it retails right around $350 before the discount. And you can buy each one of these pieces in it separately as well. So you can buy the ring separate, the earrings, and the necklace. So it's all matching. So you will also see on the necklace that Jeulia Double Halo, cushion cut, white diamond, solitaire in the middle. It drops about an inch, and this is about a 16-inch length. It's not too long, it's not too short, it's just right. On a silver setting there, a nice fine chain, and that chain just glistens. And then we've got these stud earrings featuring that same halo cushion cut white diamond stone. So this as a set is absolutely stunning. And then when you pair that with this beautiful gift packaging, who wouldn't love this as a gift for themselves or somebody else? Valentine's Day is just a fun holiday. It's different for everyone. It symbolizes love and affection, chocolate, and who doesn't love this beautiful icing? It's just the perfect holiday to give a gift to yourself or to someone else. This hair is a wig by Beltress. It is called the Beltress Santa Barbara and Beige Linen Blonde. I just fell in love with all of these shaggy layers. Now, typically I like a little curl because that matches my personality, but who doesn't love these little shaggy layers? It's just so flattering around the face. I've also put the links to this product below. You can find it at Wig Studio One, and it's an automatic 30% off at checkout. So this one has a lace front, left monofilament side part. It's heat-friendly fiber, so you could take heat to it if you wanted to, tweak it a little bit to your specifications, but I find that it's absolutely done to perfection with these layers. So it's some exciting products to check out for Valentine's Day. Treat yourself, treat your significant other, or put a bug in your significant other's ear to treat you. Wouldn't that be fantastic? Everybody have a great day and happy Valentine's Day. See you back here at TAZS Wig Closet.